Good morning, students. Today we will start a new topic, which is material cost. Okay, now what do you mean by material cost? You have heard the word raw materials. Yes, you have done cost sheet, then you have done raw materials, then you have seen where the raw materials are used. You purchase raw materials. Now, what do you mean by material cost? The amount of money invested in the production of a product, the ingredients of a meal or a part of a machine would be the things that incur material cost. This cost is apart from the cost of labor to produce the product. The material cost together with the cost of labor helps determine the total cost of a product and its eventual sale price. That means the amount of money we are investing in the production of a product, the ingredients which are used. Say for example, we are manufacturing or you're producing a machine. So the parts of the machine which are purchased to make the machine, the parts of the machines where money is invested to purchase them, that things incur the material cost. Now, the cost of labor is different from the material cost. Material cost is related with the parts of the machines, the parts which are used, or the raw materials which are used to make the product, that are called the material cost. And labor cost, as we know, the labors used in the production where we pay them wages. The wages paid to the labor for doing production or manufacturing are the labor cost. So, material cost is what? The amount of money invested or the amount of money used to purchase the raw materials or the parts of a product to make the final product is called the material cost. Okay? Now, what kind of the material cost can be there? Means what are the types? Not exactly types, like what can be the materials or where, on what basis the money will be invested to purchase the materials. Raw materials and semi-finished product goods, fuel and energy cost, packaging cost, spare parts cost, and other material costs. These are few examples which I am giving where the material cost means where the cost of materials is involved. Okay, these are few examples. Now, the example which I gave, in what do you mean by exactly those things? The cost of acquiring the necessary raw materials and finished products belong to this group. This group of material cost is often the largest. Next, fuel and energy cost. Acquisition cost of gasoline, machine oil, gas, solid fuel, electricity, heat along with this group. Packaging cost. Acquisition cost of various containers, box, bales, boxes belong to this cost. spare parts cost, expenses of spare parts used to repair equipment, machinery, or vehicles. Other material cost, all material costs which are not included in the above groups related to other expenses. It may be, for example, waste production or other cost. Okay, hope I am understandable to all about the basic meaning of material cost. We'll learn other things of material cost in details.